Native Access is the central hub for managing Native Instruments plugins like Contact and Massive. It's where you download, install, and update all your music software tools. Encountering a download failed error? Don't worry, it's a common issue when setting up or updating your music software. Think of it like trying to load a web page. If your internet is weak or something blocks it, the page won't load properly. This error usually stems from network problems, compatibility issues with your computer, or conflicts with other software like antivirus programs or firewalls. It's generally not a flaw in the music software itself. For example, Native Access manages plugins like Contact and Massive. If your system doesn't meet requirements or antivirus blocks the download, you'll see this error. Key takeaways. The error is common but fixable. Check your internet, ensure your computer meets requirements, and temporarily disable antivirus. Next, we'll look at troubleshooting steps. First, check your internet connection. A stable, wired connection is best for reliable downloads in Native Access. Next, temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus software. These security tools can sometimes block Native Access downloads. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Native Access typically requires at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and a recent version of Windows or Mac OS. Also ensure your Native Instruments account is verified and your licenses are valid. This can prevent download access issues. If the error persists, try downloading from a different location or using a VPN to bypass potential regional server issues. Restarting Native Access or even your computer can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. If all else fails, visit the Native Instruments support website for detailed troubleshooting guides and contact their support team with your detailed logs. Remember to re-enable your firewall and antivirus software after a successful installation to keep your system secure.